They say every dog has its days, but it feels like I've been having a month. So watch me as I stress cook chicken tikka masala. I'm sorry in advance because the camera angles in this entire video are all over the place and I had no idea that I was doing that. I was so disoriented through this entire thing and I was dropping things all over the place. I dropped my phone in the pan at one point. So I hope that you guys just follow the recipe via captions because I'm literally like, look at this, I'm blocking the freaking view. What's wrong with me? I don't know if it's the winter blues or it's the fact that I'm in my late 20s and you go onto Instagram, you feel like you're walking into a wedding hall or a daycare because everyone and their mom is getting married or having kids. Sometimes I'll talk to my therapist about this and I think my therapist needs a therapist after me. Anyways, they say that God sends his toughest battles to his strongest soldiers. Well, God, if you're listening, I don't want anything else, please. Matter of fact, I don't even want to be on your strongest soldiers list. Take me off, please. Nonetheless, if there's anything positive that came out this year, it's receiving all the love from you guys on my videos and being able to cook for my family and friends and seeing how happy my food makes them. Anyways, that's the sappiest and saddest you'll ever hear me. I gotta go back to being a thug. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Bye!